Hello guys, what's up? In this video, we are going to create a mini project which is very useful in real life. So which is a phone number module in Python, or how we can locate our phone number or validate our phone number in Python language. So now we are moving on to the installation process. So first of all, we have to install this phone number library. Okay, to install the phone number library, we have to open this terminal. Okay, now we have to type here pip install phone numbers. You can also do this on command prompt, but I'm doing this on terminal. Pip install phone numbers, and make sure that you have an active internet connection. Okay, now just press the enter button. It will take few seconds to install this library. So our library is successfully installed, and you can see here successfully installed phone number. Okay guys, now we are going to import the phone number library in our program. So for that, import phone numbers. Okay, in first step, what we are going to do, we are taking a string of phone number, and then we will use a method, and it will extract the phone number plus the country code from that string. So it is just a one-line code. For that, I'm taking a variable called as number is equals to phone numbers dot parse. Parse is a method which will extract the phone number from the string, and I'm passing here a string. So now just please make sure to give a correct country code. Right now I'm giving here 92. This is the country code for Pakistan, and give any random number, but it should be correct. 0457890235. Okay, this is the phone number which is in string format, and now just print here, print, and pass here the number, right? So now let's run it. So it is giving us the country code, which is 92, and the national number, which is this, right? So this is very simple and very interesting project. Okay, now let's move on to the next step. So in next step, what I just want the region of this number plus the service provider of this number. For that, I have to import to other method of this module. For that, from phone numbers, import geocoder. Geocoder will provide us the name of the region and another carrier. Carrier will give us the name of the service provider, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just taking here two variables. Number one is region, region, region. I'm using here this geocoder library, geocoder dot description for the number, right? And just pass here the number, this number, because it will work on or manipulate this number to get the region, comma English, specify here the language, plus now I'm taking another variable which is like service provider, right? And I'm using here this library which is carrier dot name of the number, and pass here the number, comma language, en, right? So now just print service provider and then print region, right? Let's run this program. Okay, so Mobilink is the service provider and region is Pakistan. So this is absolutely right. There is nothing wrong with this information. Okay guys, now I'm going to play with this module a little bit more. So now I want to validate my number, whether this is a valid number or not, and check also its possibility. So for that, do nothing else but take another variable which is valid. Use the same library which is phone numbers dot is valid number. Use this, right? And pass here the number. Just it will check whether the number is valid or not. And same for the possibility. So take another variable which is possible, and then use the same library possible phone numbers dot is possible number, right? And pass here the number. And now let's print these two variables. So print valid and print possible. So let's check it. Yes, this number is valid number, it is giving true, and this number is a possible number because this number is 11-digit number in which is the possibility and which is the standard number in Pakistan. So 11-digit number is the standard number in Pakistan. That's why it is giving us the true in both conditions. Okay guys, you can also get the time zone of the number by using the time zone library. So just import here time zone, right? Type here time zone, right? So make sure your variable name and the predefined function name should not be the same. So I am using here the capital Z to make it different from the library name, which is time zone for the number, and pass here number. Now just print this time zone variable, print and time zone. Let's run this program. Asia and Karachi. Okay, Asia and Karachi. So this is the time zone for this number. Sorry guys, I'm not feeling well, so that's why my voice is not clear in this video, so please sorry for that. Okay guys, so there are a lot of other function of this phone number library, so please go and do it by yourself. And also bye for now, take care.